Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I hope you all will be fine. I'm also good. We will discuss about Oman Air special flights which are scheduled in coming days. Today is 25th July 2020 and day is Saturday. We'll discuss about first some African flights. Oman Air will operate one special flight to Zanzibar on 28th July to Dar el Islam. Zanzibar in Dar el Islam city. 28th July there will be a special flight from Oman Air, and then Intib and Nairobi also there are some special flights on 29th July and 30th July. Those are the special flights to Africa. Then the next flight is on Egypt. Oman Air will operate one special flight to Egypt also on 28th July. Then Oman Air has special flight to Indonesia also, which will be operated on 28th July as well. And then to Malaysia also Oman Air have one special flight that will be on 27th July. Also Kuala Lumpur, Muscat to Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia, it will be Kuala Lumpur. So all those friends and everyone whoever want to fly to Muscat to Kuala Lumpur, that will be return flight also. From Malaysia people can come back to Oman as well. So for them they can contact from morning 8 to evening 6 at the given number 24531111. I'm again saying only Malaysia flight is the return flight. It means from Malaysia also people can come back to Oman. The rest all flights are only one way from Muscat to the other countries only. So inshallah khair, I hope you all will understand and you all will prepare yourself accordingly. Please keep watching us. Inshallah we will keep sharing good information, all the recent updates, news as well. Stay blessed. Take care. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.